Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering everything you need: a microfiber cloth, mild soap, 1 cup warm water, a soft toothbrush, and 70% isopropyl. You should power off the headset, and once done, remove the ear cups and carefully unclip the pads using the retention tabs. You want to inspect the foam and inner membrane for tears or heavy grime so you can decide whether to deep clean or replace. This step prevents damage. By checking now, you avoid driving water into sensitive parts later. Now focus on the foam and outer leatherette. Mix 1 teaspoon mild soap into 1 cup warm water and dampen a cloth. You should use soft circular motions to lift dirt from the surface. Once done, gently squeeze the foam to force out grime, but do not twist or wring it because that deforms the cushion. For seams and textured areas, an old soft toothbrush helps. If you hit oily spots, lightly dab with 70% isopropyl to break oils. Make sure not to soak the pad. Finish by drying the pads flat on a clean towel for about 24 hours, making sure they are not exposed to direct sun or heat sources above 40 degrees Celsius. Once fully dry, align the retention tabs and snap the pads back onto the ear cups. Make sure they sit flush and test audio and comfort before extended use. If you still notice odor or leftover residue, repeat the mild wash or consider replacing the pads. This prevents skin irritation and preserves sound quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.